Welcome back to the final part of the West Yorkshire Spinners Springtime Blanket Crochet Along. I am Chloe Elizabeth Birch, the designer of this blanket, and here to introduce to you part 3 and how to bring the blanket together. If you haven't already, you can download the free pattern on the West Yorkshire Spinners website. This week we will be making the final 2 panels, as well as joining the blanket together and making the border. For the final 2 panels, we'll be making the pansies. These motifs are created using tapestry crochet, which we covered in part 1's video, along with how to work the borders. If you would like to recap on how to do this, feel free to go back and rewatch. Then we go on to attach all the panels together to form the blanket, before last but not least adding the final border. First in part 3 we work the 2 final pansy panels. This panel is made up of 1 chart, where you'll be working a mix of 2 and 3 colour tapestry crochet. Once your panel is complete, you will then work the border in shade B. Now all the panels are complete, you are ready to join them together. To join the panels together, we're going to use a slip stitch. You are going to hold the 2 pieces you want to attach together, with the right sides facing each other, wrong sides facing outwards. Join your yarn into the first stitch, making sure to work through both pieces. Pull up a loop. Then insert hook into next stitch. Pull up a loop. Then pull through the original stitch, so you have 1 loop on hook. Repeat as follows, working into each stitch to the end of join, always making sure to work through both stitches. And here I have worked along in slip stitch to the end of the join, and now our seam is complete. Now we are ready to join the blanket. I would recommend starting with the 3 bottom panels here. Join them together along the side edges. Once you've done this, you can then attach the longer bluebell panel on top. Then go on to join the 3 panels above this along the side edges, just like you did before. Then join the top tulip panel. Finally, join the other tulip panel by its top edge to the shorter bluebell panel and bring the 2 remaining pieces together, along the side edge. To finish the blanket, you will work a 2-row border around the edge using A, just like you have done for each of the panels. And then our blanket is complete! I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I did designing it.